High in the misty mountains of Higgin Town, the clouds drift slowly across the landscape, turning the hills into a sea of white. The lush green mountains stretch far and wide, dotted with colorful homes that seem to float right in the clouds. Here, the world feels distant. The air is cooler and time moves a little slower. Far from the beaches and busy towns, this is a different side of Jamaica, raw, peaceful, and breathtaking. A hidden mountain village floating in the clouds. The clouds move slowly across the landscape, wrapping the hills in a soft blanket of mist. Welcome to Higgin Town, where the mountains touch the clouds.